Guys, if you're looking for a delicious healthy weeknight dinner, then try this tomato brown rice. We'll start by soaking rice in cold water for 30 minutes. This is optional, but it will speed up the cooking time. Once the 30 minutes are over, we will rinse it a few times and set it aside. We'll then heat a saucepan over medium heat and add olive oil or oil of choice. We'll add in the chopped onions and garlic and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Next, we'll add in crushed tomatoes. We'll give it a quick stir and cook for 5 to 7 minutes covered. This is to allow the tomatoes to break down and release their juices. We'll add paprika, garam masala, some salt to taste, and crushed pepper flakes. We'll give it a good stir and then cover it for another 3 minutes until all the water evaporates. We'll then add in the rice, give it a stir, then add water, 2 cups of water. We'll give it a stir and taste to ensure there's enough salt. We'll then add the butter, then cover and simmer for 35 to 40 minutes. Fluff the rice and serve with your favorite side dish. I served mine with a side of salad and baked chicken. Check out my other videos or blog at devinedishes.com for easy chicken recipes. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share for more recipes. Until next time, bye!